In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your PNC debit or credit card online. This guide is designed to help you access your card quickly and easily using PNC's online banking platform. As a reminder, these steps are generally applicable for unlocking both debit and credit cards unless your card is blocked due to suspected fraud. In such cases, additional identity verification may be required via phone or in person at a branch. Let's start by focusing on how you can accomplish this task from the comfort of your own home using a desktop computer. Begin by navigating to the PNC website. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to sign in to your online banking account. This is your portal to all the digital banking services PNC offers, and it starts with your unique sign-in credentials, which ensure your account's security. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the home page of your account. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the Accounts tab. This tab will display a list of all your linked bank accounts and associated cards. Take a moment to identify the specific card or account you need to unlock. The interface is user-friendly and clearly organized, so this part should be fairly straightforward. After selecting the correct card, look for options such as Manage Card, Card Controls, Card Services, or something similar. PNC organizes its services to provide maximum convenience, so these options are typically easy to find within the card management section. Once you've located the relevant menu, the unlocking controls should be prominently displayed. Here, you will find the option to unlock your card or disable the lock function. It's as simple as selecting Unlock and confirming the action. Depending on your security settings, you may be prompted to complete an additional identity check. This is a standard procedure aimed at safeguarding your account. It might involve verifying your identity through a code sent to your registered phone number or email address. Once you've confirmed the unlock, your card should be immediately available for use. It's always a good habit to verify that the card is indeed operational after unlocking it. You can do so by making a small transaction or simply checking your card status through the online interface. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access to your PNC card without the need to visit a branch or make a phone call, offering you convenience at the click of a button. Ensuring you can manage your financial products with ease is fundamental, and PNC makes this simpler through their online tools. By using these digital banking features, you can manage your cards seamlessly whenever and wherever it suits you best.